Top 10 places to visit in Munnar. A journey through nature's paradise. Number 1. Eravikulam National Park. A walk above the clouds. Home to the elusive Nilgiri Tahr and mist-covered rolling hills. This park feels like stepping into a dream. The iconic Neelakurinji flowers carpet the hills in blue every 12 years, creating a surreal spectacle. Number 2. Tata Tea Museum. Brewing history in every sip. Discover the magic behind your morning cup as you explore the journey of tea from leaf to brew. The aroma of fresh tea and tales of plantation life linger long after you leave. Number 3. Mattupetty Dam, a reflection of serenity. Nestled between emerald green hills, the tranquil waters of Mattupetty Dam mirror the sky. Speedboats slice through the stillness, creating ripples that seem to dance in the afternoon sun. Number 4. Top station, touching the sky. At Kerala's highest point, the sky feels closer and the valleys spread out like a giant green quilt. On clear days, the views stretch into neighboring Tamil Nadu, offering a breathtaking panorama. Number 5. Echo Point, where nature talks back. Shout into the valley and listen as your voice bounces back from the surrounding hills. The playful echoes create a magical atmosphere, blending nature's charm with childlike wonder. Number 6. Attukad Waterfalls, a symphony of cascading waters. Hidden amidst dense forest, Attukad Waterfalls roar through rocky cliffs, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. The mist from the falls cools your face as you trek through winding trails. Number 7. Pothameda Viewpoint, a canvas of green. This enchanting viewpoint unveils a patchwork of tea, coffee, and spice plantations stretching into the horizon. The sunsets here paint the skies in hues of orange and gold. Number 8. Kundala Lake, nature's silent retreat. Fringed by lush hills, this serene lake feels like nature's meditation spot. A peaceful boat ride reveals mirror-like waters, reflecting the surrounding forests and colorful flowers. Number 9. Chakramudi Peak, a trekker's paradise. Chakramudi Peak, a trek to this towering peak, offers adventure seekers sweeping views of the Bison Valley and distant peaks. As you ascend, clouds roll in, wrapping the hills in mystical embrace. Number 10. Munnar Rose Garden, a floral wonderland. Stroll through the vibrant flower gardens, manicured lawns, and shaded walking trails. Munnar Rose Garden is a botanical wonder spread across many acres of beautifully landscaped terrace gardens with vibrant roses in full bloom, along with hibiscus, dahlias, orchids, and an array of exotic flowers. Nestled amidst the misty hills, this enchanting garden boasts a stunning collection of flowers, spices, and ornamental plants. Birds sing their melodious tunes while butterflies flit among blossoms, creating a fairy tale-like ambience. These enchanting spots in Munnar weave together stories of nature, adventure, and tranquility.